Now let us see how we can use the BCD coding technique to represent the decimal numbers, any given decimal numbers. Okay, suppose it has been asked to represent the decimal number 35 using BCD coding technique. Okay, now we know that in the BCD coding system, each of the decimal digits within 0 and 9 are represented using 4-bit binary code. So here number 35. So 3 will be represented using the equivalent 4-bit binary code, which is 0 0 1 1, and 5 will be represented using its equivalent 4-bit binary code, that is 0 1 0 1. So the decimal number 35 in BCD coding technique will become 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, let us say we have another number 1 7 0 1 7 0. Okay, so the number 1 will be represented as 0 0 0 1. The decimal number 7 will be individually represented as 0 1 1 1, and this 0 will be represented, decimal 0 will be represented as 4-bit binary 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this 170, the decimal number 170 in BCD system can be written as 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is the equivalent BCD code. Similarly, we can take other examples. Let's say we take a number let us say we take a number 2 4 6 9. Okay, so here first we have to write the 4-bit code for 2, then for 4, then 6 and 9. For 2, the 4-bit code is 0 0 1 0. 2 in decimal form is written as 0 0 1 0. 4 in decimal form is written as 0 1 0 0. 6 in decimal form, in 4-bit decimal form, is written as 0 1 1 0, and 9 in decimal form is written as 1 0 0 1. Okay, okay, each of the decimal digits are represented using 4-bit binary codes. So now the decimal number 2469, it can be represented using the binary coded technique by combining these 4-bit groups, that is 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. It's a long code, isn't it? Okay, so all you have to do is that you separate the individual decimal digits or symbols write the 4-bit equivalent binary code for each of the decimal digits, and then you combine them together. Okay, so this is how you convert the decimal, any given decimal number, into binary coded decimal format. Okay. Now we just studied how to represent any given decimal number in the form of binary coded decimal technique. So let me just state some cases where students make mistakes while encoding using binary coded decimal technique. Suppose we have a number 1, 2, 4, 6, 1246, okay, and it has been asked to represent it using the BCD coding technique. So sometimes what students do is that they write it in this way. Okay, this is how they write it, especially when someone is a beginner to digital electronics. Sometimes it is okay that it happens, sometimes this mistake happens. Why? Because we know that using 4-bit codes, 4-bit binary numbers, we can represent decimal digits from 0 to 15, decimal numbers from 0 to 15 using 4-bit codes. 4-bit binary numbers we can represent from 0 to 15. So sometimes people take it as 12 instead of taking it individually as 1 and 2 separately, they take it as 12. Okay, and sometimes they write it as, they write the 4-bit binary code for 12. Okay, they write the 4-bit binary code for 12, that is 1 1 0 0. They write this as 4, that is 0 1 0 0, and they write it as 0 1 1 0, but they write this as 12, which is wrong. We have to write this as 1 and 2 separately. We have to write it as 0 0 0 1 and this as 0 0 1 0, not as this. And this is okay, 4 and 6 they are okay. This is because the decimal numbers, the codes from 10 to 15 are invalid in BCD system. The 4-bit codes from 10 to 15 are invalid codes. Okay, they are invalid codes, that is 1 0 1 0 to 1 1 1 1. All the 4-bit codes in between that, they are invalid codes in BCD system. So don't do this mistake. If in place here there is instead of 12 there is 11, then you have to write it separately as 1 and 1. You have to write separately as 1 and 1 and this as 0 0 0 1. If it is 5, then you have to write separately here 5. Okay, 5, and that will be 0 1 0 1. Okay, so always follow this approach. Never write any number from 10 to 15 as a single unit. Okay, these are invalid codes, so you always have to split each of the individual digits or symbols, write the 4-bit codes for each of the symbols in between 0 and 9, make sure that all the symbols are in between 0 and 9, write the 4-bit equivalent codes for each of the individual symbols, and then at last you combine. Okay, so here we discussed about how to convert a decimal number in BCD form. Now we will see how to convert any given BCD code into its equivalent decimal number. Okay, so let's do that.